Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about the Python pandas. In this we are going to learn how we will access single and multiple values that are based on the index that is retrieving by label. So let's try to write the program. Let's start. So first of all, what we will do, we will first create a series so that we can perform such operations. So I will write first import pandas as pd so that we can import the pandas library in our program. After that I will create an identifier, say series is not ser, say 1 equals to pd dot series, and after that I am going to specify the number of elements that are present here, say 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66 along with the index index equals to say A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, now what I have done, I have created an object, say ser1, and I have passed the values. Now let's try to print the whole series. So for printing the whole series I will write here print ser1, and now I will run. So what will happen, the entire series will be printed here. So what should I do here to get the particular values, to get a single value and a particular value? For an instance, say I want to access say 22, say I want to access 22 here. I want to access 22, and 22 is actually belongs to 0, 1. It means it is on the index position is 1, and here I will say 0 and 1. It means for accessing the value of 22 I will have to use the index as B. So here what I will do, I will write here ser, then since it is a string value I will write here B. Now after that I will execute the program. So let's execute it, and now here you will come to know that why it has been given as the output 22, because we have written here ser1b. ser1b is nothing but this object that we have already created. Clear? Okay, this object, the name of the object will be passed here along with the index value that we want to print, the index. So here I will write the index B. So what it will be printing, 0 and 1. It means the index value B represents 22. So the answer will be printed here 22. So in this way we can access single element. Say for example if I write here D or E, so what will happen, say E. So since E is located on the 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4th, it means 4th position, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the output must be 55. So let's try to execute it. So here you can clearly see that what's happening there. When I write here E, it means it goes to this portion, the second last one. The second last represents the 55. That is the output for this program. So in this way we can access the single value. In Python we use the hashtag. So for accessing single value we write this. Now suppose that if we want to access the multiple elements, say if I want to access both A and C. In this case, suppose I want to access A and C, what will happen and how we will write it? So let's try to write. I will write here print, say ser1, the name of the object. Now I will write here A comma C. Why? Because I want to access the multiple elements. So I will write A, the name of the index value, along with the comma, then the another value. So when I run this, I must get 11 comma 33. So let's try to fetch what should be the output. It must be 11 and 33. Okay, I make a small mistake here. You have to use the double square brackets. Clear? Now let's try to fetch it out. And now here you will get the answer that the first one, E represents 55, but when we access the multiple elements, say here I am going to write the multiple access, multiple value access, you can simply say that. So since I have written here A comma C, just a minute, here I have written A comma C, it means A is representing the 11 while the C is representing the 33. So it has printed A comma C equals to A for 11 and C for 33. So in this way we can access the multiple values. So I hope you have got this concept, and if you have anything regarding the doubt or any concept that you are not getting, please let me know in the comment section so that I can help you. So this was all about accessing the single and multiple values based on index, that is retrieving by the label, because this is nothing but the labels that we have already defined and we are accessing by means of labels. This is a single label and this is a double label or multiple access, you can simply say that. Clear? So always remember, when you are using a single access, a single bracket is required, but when you are using a multiple access, say for example if I am still again using say CD, okay, so for accessing more than one element, since it was a one element, for accessing more than one values or elements, you can use the double square brackets, because it is the compulsory, it is important, it is mandatory to use the double square brackets while using the multiple values. After that, when we run this program, you will come to know that, okay, you will come to know that the ADE is there. What does A represent? 11. Then D is on the 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, it means 44. So D represents the 44, and C was already as we have previously discussed that C represents the 44. Sorry, C represents the 33 because it is on the index value 0 1 2. 0 1 2 means 33. So in this way we can access the multiple values for multiple indexes. I hope you have got this concept. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, goodbye, take care, see you in the next video.